the brake caliper cover for Ford Mustang. Look really beautiful, look good, aggressive. And this, hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to install the brake caliper cover and the Ford Mustang. There you go. We have a brake caliper cover.
Now that I drove
from Mustang.
Is there any way to check the battery, or is it better off?
There's for rear one and the back one. And I show you how to get install this. Easy. Oh,
Okay. Well, he's driving about.
for the rear one and for the front one. So we'll put the bottom first, like that, and the top one. Top one you do like that, like that, and you push this one all the way. It's safe and secure. You push it right, like that. See? Now it's secure all the way. It's gotta be looking like that. Make sure the bottom one too is secure. And you have to do, you have to tie it like that. Tie the second one too, and you use 10mm sockets. And you tie it like that. And you tie the bottom one too. And we're done. Okay. Here we go, guys. Easy to install. Okay guys, the rear one's coming like that, and it's coming with those like that. So what you have to do, you're coming over here and you push this one there. Push it like that. Safe and secure. Same thing for the bottom. Same thing for the bottom. Okay guys, so the first one you do it like that. This is for the rear one, and the second one same thing. Same thing. It is easy to install them back. All you have to do, put this one like that. And put this one too. See? One here, one in the bottom. And puts the screw back. And we're done. Like that. Get the screw back, second one. And you tied it with the 10 millimeters sockets. And we're done. We put on the tires already. This is the rear one. There you go. Looks really good. You don't have to paint no caliper, no nothing. This. There we go, guys. So today we're installing the brake caliper cover for Ford Mustang. Looks really beautiful, look good, aggressive. And this is the rear one, a Mustang on it. Guys, if you like it, just like, share, subscribe. I'll see you for our next video. Thank you for watching.